How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Crypto versus Cash. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to get started with Coinbase, how to set up an account, how to buy and sell Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash, and also how to earn free Bitcoin when you sign up. So for those of you that don't know, Coinbase.com is the biggest digital exchange of cryptocurrencies in North America. They've serviced over 10 million customers. They're available in 32 countries, and they've exchanged over $50 billion in cryptocurrencies, which is huge. So it's really simple to sign up with them. It's probably the quickest process of any exchange that I've currently used. It's usually within a couple of hours. It's always same day. Basically, just use the link in the description, and you will get redirected to this page, and if you sign up using that link, you'll get $10 worth of free Bitcoin once you sign up here and get started buying and selling crypto. So once you set up your account, it's really quick. You just enter your name, your email, and your password, and then you'll get an email, and you'll have to send them a picture of your identification, like a driver's license or a passport. But once you've done that, it'll be verified. My account was actually verified in like 35 minutes, but this was around a year ago, so I'm really not sure how it is now. It's probably still pretty quick. But anyways, this is the dashboard here. Right here you can see the current price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin. They're also going to be adding more cryptocurrencies in the coming months, but they haven't announced which ones yet. So then the next step would be to go to the buy tabs. So I mean, obviously, if you're new in cryptocurrencies, don't get excited and buy on a high. Buy at a good time, like monitor the price, and be very careful, because you can definitely lose money in this space. Not a lot of people are talking about it, but I definitely want everybody to protect their investment. So do your due diligence and please do your research. But anyways, this is the buy and sell tab. So this is where you can actually go ahead and buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So you can use a credit card. As you can see, I have my credit card right here. With a credit card, you have a weekly card limit. You can also do bank deposits or bank transfers, like with your debit card. If you use a debit card, it's like same day deposits, but if you do like a bank transfer, I believe it takes like 3 to 5 business days. So anyways, all you do is you just pick the payment method. So I have like my credit card here. You pick the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, and you just enter how much you want to purchase, and then you just go ahead and buy it. I'm actually not going to buy Litecoin right now because it's a little bit high currently for my taste. It started the day at 240. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to buy at a $45 high. That would just be silly. But that being said, Litecoin's a really good coin, guys. If you aren't in Litecoin or you don't know much about it, I would definitely recommend going to litecoin.org and reading their roadmap, because it is super exciting what they're doing, and I don't think enough people are really talking about it or catching on to it yet. So yeah, just a little tidbit of info there. So anyways, guys, that's basically how you use it. The only other tabs here we have is the account tab. So this is going to display how much Bitcoin or Litecoin you have. It's going to also tell you like what you've done. So as you can see, I've transferred some Bitcoin to my GDAX, bought Bitcoin, sent Bitcoin. But anyways, that's basically it. I mean, you can use this right here. Like this gives you like your Bitcoin addresses. So if you want to like send Bitcoin to your Coinbase account, you can do that. But yeah, that's basically it. The only other feature that I'll mention is that you can set up recurring transactions, which are kind of cool, but they can be a little bit risky if you're not careful of the price. So you can set up like recurring buys. So let's say I was to go buy max, I could like repeat this buy weekly if I wanted to, or monthly or whatever. But personally, I would just recommend logging in yourself and just making the purchases yourself, because you're probably going to get in at a better price that way. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to use the link in the description if you do get started with Coinbase. As I said before, it's going to get you $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up. So that's a really nice little bonus to get started in crypto. But other than that, guys, please do me a favor and like the video. And if you have any questions at all about Coinbase, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But other than that, guys, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.